Mami Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana SM TV GH so wofre me Jantuah searching. Ebusuafo mami a order screen nso yi megidi ye pass obia enime no wofre no nana ya Jantuah CPP omo secretary na CC ne yenti menchire so ye CPP new se oye NDC new because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama am an appointment e Parliament House. Na mami obi oye CPP ni no or started so communicate with TV so and as a radio so no and the NDC direction kwana na oko abanda dey atwe me His Excellency former president now Don Akufo-Addo mami twa bona na nya asem keto akra na ende mami nya appointment e Parliament House no kamya kwese wakoye NDC ni ani ene osora na TV so na chese otoma ne Ghana for na ende Ghana for at the warning Emma UTV. Despite media, almost TV station back our friend UTV Ghana for shepa Ghana for at morning at the amomo say. Omo enjoy so omo inviting mami into their shows, which political talk shows are omo every morning be our UTV hona omo beja UTV show because mami baswa and some of toto mani Ghana for no yehuniti huni nai just yehuni left from the right it means a money posache no dey sir. Ebi mo so kire se ne reg se funu Ghana for ni subayo de wode bayo Ghana for atoto amane mami left right center Ghana for raising ne say omo raising na ne say busuafo endra ye koda ya ende ye sorry no chese ya nomfo ekrorafo omo akwashemra nyanya ada no omo akwashemro without consulting Ghana for Sembrano what they bring and you betumi asoma na yenso what's one ekro ne won dia just why majority they open away to akoshemra emra be no mo akosha say omo the tax e bra yen say omo buy no now fuel prices no I think is it 16 cedis and 15 cedis and omo abete so by 11 cedis into omo ache Ghana for 5 cedis na 5 cedis no omo da sorry ya no what the chen ya wo be yare won ti be ye wo ya nti no 5 cedi no mu tim 1 cedi into koto fuel 1 liter bia ubetua 1 Ghana uto 2 just a liter bia beto bia just and that's on the prices that that's on just we don't think madness and yes I hear ha and in there sorry the Ghana ha I to say June 3rd no min ka man for ya no dem yesu obi yesu na ke onet aban ben and ya kasa na ya Jantuah so no not the Parliament House into the coupon na say to fuel say then get meche wa kwatena UTV o kire say ne sike no on beto fuel no kan ya de moduma yensi o mayenti
no enye enough
ECG time MPP time no forex ne affected the activities of the utilities because the forex na so bad they say wo musika kra no obeye ade ne be wie ne mu atwa mie
by near
it is a grace
of God.
I started. But patcho there be almost send a PSP no or say yeah the private sector participation collections in ade. But I am saying as it stands today, sika ye hia ye de beto crude oil ne sa na ema no. Ye hia se be ye.
So you see say one city no in the right direction.
Yes, of course.
Now what of said increment ekosore
increment ben
say be make the global oil price no say you know
according they say do what they know what to do me finance person
yes I am abeye mra
deputy me finance person
no what say
enye mra bebre na wo Ghana ha ni nyina ye for now no there is an emergency Ghana for say ho toye as nkofo say business is running and this time me
tax and me
who dum so be buy ye but they are managing it
but we hope
but then they say MPP ta omo dey try na manage ye
dey try
omo dey manage ye nti na e feel say ye papa because omo bomb say ye maintenance yes dum siesie yes ye friend say transformers na say nyama bebre those there's any man no omo dey manage. They didn't tell us the true state of the utilities. They didn't tell us. And who the true state of what is there. And to me believe this one no, it should be used for what it is supposed to be used for. And we need here pa.
Ebusiafo. Mami My manager says, "Scan woman better fuel." Intino tax in the crowd Eddie Begu Yensoro. Just said by hook or by crook, we have no choice. We have to pay. And yes, mammy yati betia. Name won't turn a betia and be saying a buffoo. Because in some like a canoe, yam before, yam passa. Ghana for be a buff for mammy, or much as a mammy. So she not a many posachiwa. Don't come on TV. Do not come on radio. Just stay at Parliament House. Nasa atrocho na utrocho. So ye de odi yensa. E machine ye bufu kra mekeke nsemeche. O se dey sike no mbeto fiwo. Aha. Na abra NPP fu be fa e your friend is akondwa no e wo 2017 rather ye to aban 2016 NPP office 2017. Se na da dum som. Omo bai no, omo the tax beto your friend say fiwo so ana. Even though no your friend is say you live na NPP for the buy and ye na ye cassette ai. But NDC for more cassette at force in it and so no and ye levy your friend is saying taxes and or they buy your mind or when you waste and means or be far or betting me raise the revenue at the actual mind then they are called that cost story and that's some any your friend is energy sector levy. Yes, you say you live in Asansoba. You live in Fuano. The energy sector, baby. Ghana folks want to ask you. Omo come out the children and ya Jantuah. Yenti and Sema, Omo can a day a treno. Way say, we will stop watching UTV if you do not stop bringing this old fool to your station. So, okay, politics na one year. Obia to me can send be wo. Hey. When so say Greenwich not say Abra Bonnie, already say Funo Reg what? Where's the Ivy West not say? No government that comes or go will ever be fair. Just forgetting. Let's enjoy 4 years. Okay. And I when say Augustine on it, or just say, please. Who is this woman to end this, please? And I will say, Emmanuel, not just a foolish woman. Just a comment in the door, and I will so Kwejo, and what I said, this woman, her family members will be disappointed in her pa. She talk by heart. Just a comment and confirm mother. Obi kura de ose ninza solo mo bebono nti mama ya Jantuah yesterday wala Ghana for any abropa nti na busuafo esebo na Ghana for akan de ache mama ya Jantuah e wa bra NDC for the energy sector levy abeto yen so a ye bobo ho a on so de abeto ya Ghana for ebuafu no.
Yes, at the NSA, St. George, OC data prices and all expensive na and yemlem wine. Utri kutu set Titanic ship. What it? Utri kutu set Titanic ship. And now say yemlemu esla usuno. And then the yemlemu obi. Am I yemblemu? Massa. Aya na momoje nsagana for ya mo na say ya nwene senipa. Ade amunyamwa because in Crofona mo members no o mo ntimi nwene senipa entimo sori a ye beba ma no na moka utiri kutu set transformer